So when did you start rapping, Cat Sister?
Well, I was rapping since I was 5 years old, you feel me?
What inspired you to rap?
You know, things I've been hustling, you feel me? Selling down, you feel me? But I want to be a rapper because, you know, it's in my heart, runs through the whole family. It runs through my daddy's side of the family, it runs through my mom's side of the family. So you already know, you feel me?
Oh, ain't your dad rapping?
Yeah, his name Morilla. You can find him, you know, he's probably on YouTube playing the lead drop, featuring drops too, you feel me? Yeah.
When's your next album?
For my next album, like what's the name of like what you mean?
What's the name when it come out?
You know, the big comeback, you know. And it's coming out, it should be coming out August 30th, you feel me?
Is it like a platinum record or?
Platinum, you feel me? Platinum edition. Go
Oh.
for 10, you feel me? Because I go hard. My heart thinking that. Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm currently 13, about to be 14, February 15, 1999, when I was born. Yeah.
So you started rapping when you were 5?
Yes, I was rapping since I was 5, sir.
What do you rap about?
I rap about everything that happened in the past, like since I was 2, 3 and up, what's going on, you know. Everything that happened bad. So I had to rap about it in my rap, tell the truth. Because I'm not fake, I tell the real stuff in my songs. I'm getting that Tupac or better.
But how did you remember? You were only 3 years old.
I got a good memory.
Oh. So what's up with your haircut?
It's a Bootsy fade, you know.
Where did you get it?
Oh, I got it from my personal barber, you know. I be on 20, you know. Not 20, but 10 sometimes.
When are you getting a car?
A car. I got a car, but I gotta get my street first.
What car is it?
What kind of car? It's a Mercedes-Benz 22 on there, you know. It's blue. Stars on it.
So the rim's big?
Big rim.
So who getting it to you?
My dad.
Oh, okay. How old is your dad?
He's 30, 31. He's been in the a long time, so you know. And he's doing well.
What is your daddy's rap name?
Morilla. Yeah.
How many albums do he have?
What you mean? Oh, he have like 1 album right now because, you know, things been going bad in the studio.
Oh.